Are your Google Workspace emails not working properly or not being delivered at all? There's a good chance your MX records are a culprit. MX records, short for Mail Exchange Records, are DNS settings that tell the internet where to deliver your emails. MX record issues don't always show obvious errors message, so you might not even realize what's causing your email problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose MX record problems and fix them properly so your Google Workspace emails start flowing smoothly again. And if you need more help related to MX records, then call the displayed numbers on the screen to talk to our experts. Alright, let's jump right into the process now. First, you should access your admin account console on a web browser. Then, from the left side panel, you will see App option. Click on it. Now, from the open list of options, click on Gmail. On the open page, look for Setup option and then click on it. After that, you'll see the current MX records. Make sure to update them and then see if your problem is resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.